Hi everyone, look what just came in the mail. My September paper pumpkin Bon Appetit. So let's take a look and see what's here. Okay, here's a preview of next month's kits, actually the next 2 months, October and November. So take a look at that. Obviously a winter theme, and you kind of get an idea from the box what's going to be inside. So you don't want to miss out on that. So subscribe soon. Don't miss out. Okay, let's see the stamp set. I'm going to put it on a scrap of white here. Oh, look at this. There are cute skeletons. Oh my goodness. Okay, it says, open if you dare. There's 2 different versions of a skeleton. Trick or treat. Oh, I can't read. Bon Appetit. What does that one say? I don't know. I'm going to stamp that really fast. I'll speed up the video so it's faster. Toxic treats. Super cute. Bon Appetit toxic treats. Another little happy Halloween. So cute. And you've got a skull and crossbones, trick or treat, 2 little skeletons. Look how cute those skeletons are. Okay, and then our spot is Gorgeous Grape. Fun. Oh my goodness. Look at these cute little hands. Spider webs. This is so cute. I love that I got a lot of these. Oh, look at the boxes. Foil, orange, pumpkin pie probably. These are adorable. Now, if you missed out on these, I do order extra kits, so let me know. I have a feeling these are going to go fast. Alright, so we've got some little mini boxes. Now, it makes 20, they said, so there's probably 10 stripe and 10 polka dot. Foil labels. Some more labels. Little skeletons, vellum circles, spider webs, of course glue dots, and our instructions. Super cute. Here's some alternative ideas on how to turn your leftover pieces into some cards. And they have a box of these little, oh look, black dimensionals and some black clothespins, mini clothespins. This is a really cute set. If you missed out, let me know. And I think this is adorable. Really cute. Bon Appetit. 20 food safe boxes. Thanks for watching. Remember, you can always subscribe, and you want to get in on the winter season, the Christmas, fall season kits. They're always great. So you can do that. I have a link. I'll put a link in my comments. And or you can go to my blog, bethspapercuts.com, and join from there. Thanks for watching. Bye.